How to fix Instagram misses primary and general option not showing. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. As you can see, there is no message categories of primary and general. Now, in order to make that category visible, what you will have to do is convert your Instagram account to a professional account. To do so, go to the profile icon and then go to the menu bar. After that, scroll down and then go to account type and tools. Go to switch to professional account, tap on next, select your category, select switch to professional account and select if you are a creator or a business account, tap on continue and your professional account is now set. Give it a scroll and then see, as you can see, there is this different categories of messages like primary, general, channels and request. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.